Hi there, Massy here, author of a few books, guidebook to authentic success, coach, strategist, and very soon on my way down to Melbourne to run a life masterclass. Now, I've been running a life masterclass program workshop for the last 2 to 3 years, and it's a collection of everything I've learned. And I'm coming out now, and just recently came up to a 20-year anniversary from when I did my first personal development program. And one of the things, and I call myself a strategist, and I had 14 years in the military as an officer and then consulting to Olympic Games around the world, I've always been interested in trying to figure out what things have got the biggest return on investment. So what are the things that are going to make the biggest impact? And those are the things I use on my clients or work with my clients on. And those are the things I bring to the Life Masterclass. So of all of those hundreds of sessions I've had with clients, what are the things that are consistent between them? And what are the tools, strategies, techniques that create the biggest shift? So over the course of the Life Masterclass, I'm going to be teaching stuff. I want you to learn stuff. Then I want you to experience this stuff at a conscious level. And then we're going to do techniques so that you experience things on a subconscious level. We start to get in touch with the subconscious mind. We start to communicate with the subconscious mind. We start to prune away and peel away the stuff that doesn't necessarily serve you. And when we look at, so the 3 parts of the Life Masterclass are past, present, and future. When we're looking at the past, we're looking at processing core limiting beliefs. And when we do that, when we get it right, when we nail it, there's a huge amount of energy liberated because you stop dragging around this stuff and you stop going into a reactive response. So we've got some techniques to work on finding what they are and then actually shifting them. And then we want to look at the future. The clearer we are of the future, the more we can prime our brain to understand what it is we truly want in life. And not what mum wanted it for us or dad or whoever else wanted for us. What do you want for life? And getting very clear on that. The clearer you get on that, the more you prime your brain, your reticular activating system, to be on the lookout for that. And then the third piece is, how do we optimize ourselves day by day so we become high performers? We get, bigger and bigger results, and we get the results that we want. So what is it we can do, and what are the little techniques? And some of them you'll just be blown away by how simple they are, but how impactful they are in your life. And if you go through life, most people go through life never knowing it. So I want to share with you what I've learned over the last 20 years. I've read hundreds and hundreds of books, done lots of different courses, and again, I want to take those pieces and share with you in 2.5 days the best of what I've learned. So you can find out more details down below or up above, wherever it is, that'll talk about the specifics for the 2.5 days that we are together. And you're going to be surrounded by some amazing people. So there's not only stuff that you take away from me, but there'll be conversations you have over the course of that weekend by being around these other people that'll create shifts for you. And I can guarantee it. I've seen it happen time and time and time again. So if you're feeling it, I'd love to see you in Melbourne. The details of the venue down below, 28th to the 30th of June. It's going to be an awesome weekend. If you need any details or unsure of anything, just reach out and ask. But otherwise, I look forward to seeing you for a memorable, life-changing and shift-creating weekend. And when we shift and change from the inside out, the world shifts around us. So let's do a bit of shifting the world around us over that weekend. So hope to see you there. Have a fantastic day and take care.